Hey everyone, Kyle here. Today we'll cover the step-by-step guide on finding the best business insurance for small businesses, specifically focusing on protecting your LLC with the right liability coverage. I'll walk you through the top 5 insurance providers that offer excellent protection for your business. If you'd rather have someone else handle the complex process of forming your LLC, skip ahead to the end of this video. I'll be sharing a special offer where you can form your LLC for just $39, saving you both time and money. Also, choosing the right business insurance is critical to safeguarding your LLC from unexpected risk. Without the right coverage, one unfortunate incident could disrupt your business growth, leaving you vulnerable to financial losses. So let's dive into the top 5 insurance companies for small businesses and see how they can help you protect your LLC. And now, number 1, The Hartford. The Hartford is well known for offering comprehensive coverage that meets a wide variety of business needs. They provide general liability, business owners policies, workers' compensation, and more. One of the best things about the Hartford is that they allow you to bundle policies, which means that can save you money while consuming complete coverage. Whether you're expanding or managing multiple locations, the Hartford grows with you and provides the necessary protection every step of the way. And now, number 2 on the list is Chubb. Chubb might have started in personal insurance, but in recent years, they have expanded their services to small businesses. What makes Chubb stand out is their excellent claims handling. If your LLC ever faces a claim, you'll benefit from Chubb's highly rated customer service, known for making the claims process easy and fast. Whether it's property or liability coverage, Chubb offers tailored solutions to meet your specific business needs. And now, number 3, The Hanover. While The Hanover doesn't operate in all states, they are highly recommended for businesses looking for more personalized insurance options. They understand that every business, even with the same industry, has unique risk. So if you need coverage beyond the usual places, The Hanover works with you to ensure that your LLC is fully protected. Plus, their claim service is top-notch, so you can count on them when it matters the most. And now, number 4, Guard Insurance. Guard specializes in industries like construction and manufacturing, making it an excellent choice if your LLC is in one of these sectors. They offer everything from commercial auto to property insurance, and their competitive rates make them a go-to for contractors. If your business frequently deals with subcontractors or certificates of insurance, Guard ensures that you're properly covered without breaking the bank. And now, last but not least, is Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual is another great option for small businesses. Their business owners policies come with a range of added coverages that provide extra protection in case of major incidents like fires or theft. Liberty Mutual also offers strong claim support and is easy to work with when it comes to billing and payments, making it a hassle-free option for your LLC. So there you have it. Those are my top 5 insurance companies to consider for your small businesses. And if you're in the process of forming an LLC or thinking about it, don't forget that you can save time and money by using Northwest Registered Agent for only $39. You can click the link in the description to get started. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.